So I'm in Bandon, Oregon, and going into my room, which, okay, I can't get into. So I'm in Bandon, Oregon at the Old Town Inn, and we have a king jacuzzi room. And, oh, there's a fan on in here, so that's really loud. So it's a king-size bed. We've got this table and chairs here. We've got 2 sitting chairs on either side of the bed. Alarm clock next to our bed. Doesn't look like there's outlets. But over here, oh, there's a Bible, another lamp, a little suitcase holder, and outlets behind there. Blanket, extra stuff. TV, phone, looks like a cable box. Microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker. And then we have a jacuzzi, because this is a jacuzzi room with lots of mirrors. Then come into the bathroom and sink with soap, and it looks like conditioning and shampoo. Hair dryer on the wall. And then a towel for makeup remover, so it's black so you don't ruin their white towels. Toilet and bathtub with shower. So yeah, this is our room at the Old Town Inn in Bandon, Oregon.